here we have to factorize. So I've taken this question number 1, a square plus 8a plus 16. So whenever you get these kind of expressions, so first you try to get that form, that is a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if you are able to get that form, that means it will be the square of a plus b. Or if you can get this form as well, a square minus 2ab plus b square, that will be the square of a minus b. Okay, so this you can try, and if you get it, then you will easily get the square. So here in this question, you see the first one, it is a square, so that can be written as a square. Then 16 is the square of 4, that you know. And now here what we will do, we will try to write this middle term. So I am just writing in this form. So 2 into a, if it would be the square of a plus b, so it should be 2a into 4. Now you can check this one if it is same as this one or not. So you see this one, 2a into 4 will give you 8a only, so it's the same thing. So here what we can do, we will write it as a plus 4 whole square. So this whole thing is nothing but this is the expansion of a plus 4 whole square. So like this you can simplify. Now I'm taking the second question here. So the second question is p square minus 10p plus 25. So here you can see p square is the square of p. So here your a is p, and then 25 is the square of 5. So here you can see a is p and b is 5. Now here minus sign is there, leave it. So twice of a, in the place of a I'm writing p, and here 5. Okay, now you can see these two things both are same, and you know that if you have a square minus 2ab plus b square, that is equals to a plus b square. So hence you can say that this expansion p square minus this will be expansion of p minus 5 whole square. So that's the answer here. Here in this question also I'll try to do that. So here you see 25m square is the square of 5m. Then I'll write 9 as 3 square. Now I'll just simply write twice of the first term, that is 5m into second term 3. So now you see, if you will see 5 into 2 will give you 10 into 3 30m. So it's the same like this. So it is the expansion of 5m plus 3 whole square. So these will be the factors. So you can write it as 5m plus 3 into 5m plus 3. So like this you have to do this question. Here we have another question, 4p square minus 9q square. So wherever you will get this kind of, where you have two terms separated by a minus sign. So you can think about this formula there, that is a square minus b square equals to a plus b into a minus b. So here also you can see your 4p square can be written as 2p whole square, because 4 is the square of 2, p square is the square of p. Then 9q square can be written as 3q whole square. So now here you see your a is this, is your a, this is your b. So here a is 2p and your b is 3q. So you can easily write it now. So the answer will be 3p minus 2p minus 3q and 2p plus 3q. And you can write in brackets that using this a square minus b square equals to a plus b, a minus b. So these will be the factors here. So here you see I've taken another one, 63a square minus 112b square. So now you see in the first question it was easier to get the square of the first term and the second. Here 63 is not a square and 112 is also not a square, but you can see here you can take out something common. So from here we can take 7 common. So here you'll get 9a square minus 16b square, and now 7 you can keep outside, and this is the square of 3a, this is the square of 4b, and now you can write it as 3a plus 4b into 3a minus 4b. because here using this a square minus b square, you have a minus b, a plus b, and then here you can see your value of a is 3a and your value of b is 4b. So just simply put the value, and outside we have 7. So this will be the factor here. So here I have taken another question. So 25a square minus 4b square plus 28bc minus 49c. Now how you'll do it in this? So you have 4 terms here, and also some of these are square, some of these are not square. So you can see here 25a square is the square of 5a square, minus we have 4b square which is the square of 2b, and 28 right now I'm just keeping it like this, 28bc, and we have here 7c square. 49c square can be written as 7c square. Now you see here we can't use any identity. So you see here this term, that is bc, that is containing b and c. So here you have b square, here you have c square, so we can take these 3 terms together. So what I'm doing here, I am taking a negative sign common, and then you will get here 2b whole square. I have taken minus common, so the sign will change in here, so it will be minus 28bc. This is minus sign, here this minus sign will change to plus sign, and 7c whole square. So now we got this one. So now if you'll see, this is giving you a square of 2b minus 7c whole square. So the same way, 2b minus 2 into 2. So here this is same as 2 into 2b into 7c. So if you multiply this one, so you'll get 28bc only. So this whole thing is the square of 2b minus 7c, and the first we already have 5a square. Now we are getting this form of a square minus b square. So here you see your a, you can use this a square minus b square equals to a minus b into a plus b, and here you see your value of a is 5a and your b is 2b minus 7c. So here this will give you 5a plus, I'm keeping it in the bracket, and then the next one will be 5a minus 2b minus 7c. Now you can open the bracket and you can change the sign, and that will give you the answer here. So here it will be 5a plus 2b minus 7c, and here 5a minus 2b plus 7c. That will be the answer for this question.